Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be styling this 3-tier fruit stand. And this is so beautiful. I purchased this last month, but I want to show you that you don't only have to use it for your fruit, you can do so many creative things with it, and that's what I'm going to do in this video. So if you would like to see it, please keep on watching. So I'm placing a piece of floral foam on the top because I am going to do an arrangement on top. So I'm just cutting the florals, and you can use any florals of your choice, but I decided to go with these hydrangeas. And these florals are a mixture from Hobby Lobby and Michaels. So like I said, you can use any kind that you like. I decided to go with the yellow, and this is like a reddish pink color. So I'm just placing those in there and adding some green leaves. Another idea I think will go nice with this fruit stand, if you would like to add some candles, I think that is a great idea. Also, any kind of knickknacks that you have will also look pretty. Now I'm just going to add these sprays to these florals. I just wanted to add just a little length to it, so I'm just going to use 3 of them. My plan was to use green sprays, but I didn't have a chance to go out to the store and purchase some, so that's why I went with the green leaves that I had at home. And I'm almost finished, just putting in some leftover leaves that I had just to give it a full look. Okay, so now that I have the top part completed, now I'm going to work on the bottom.
long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby you are everywhere. I wish that you were here. 'Cause I don't want nobody else.
And I will post the link to this fruit stand in the description box. And to finish it off, I'm just going to add these faux apples and I'm finished.
Feeling that I have. So take me in your arms. Yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it grow. Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you know it's true. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you know it's true. I know that feeling. We say goodbye until it hurts.